Guangdong LBest Intelligent Technology Company Limited was founded in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of automatic clothes drying rack, folding clothes drying rack, manual clothes drying rack, wall-mounted clothes drying rack, safe, intelligent lock, and intelligent garbage can. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have professional R&D center, quality control department, advanced production lines. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including safety testing machine and production machine. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO 9001, 2015 certificates. Selling well in cities and provinces around China, we have brand showrooms and sales points in China market. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Europe, South America, and Oceania. We also warmly welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center or directly contact International Sales Department about your sourcing requirements. We look forward to have a great cooperation with you.